Introducing the Deca Pro 258-piece toolkit with rolling toolbox. This comprehensive set is a mechanic's dream, meticulously crafted for precision and durability. From high-quality forged steel to meticulously designed sockets and wrenches, this toolkit has everything you need for any mechanical task. The portable rolling chest design ensures easy transportation and access to your tools, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to scattered tools and inefficient repairs. Upgrade to the Deca Pro 258-piece toolkit today. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking reliability and performance in their tools. Order now and experience the difference. For buy and get more information, please click the link in description.